Hard to believe that we're actually in New York City. Looking at the size of these trees, it looks more like Yosemite. Douglas Manor is known for trees that date back as far as the 1800s. And tonight, residents are mourning the loss of one of their prized pieces of history.
And it was like really scary because we were like, we're gonna die because there's like a big tree in front of our house and we were afraid that one was gonna fall, and then we heard a big boom.
Daniela Giuliana and Isabella Fazio did not have their typical day after school.
And then I hear like a tree fall down, and it was so weird. I was like screaming so much. It was so scary.
No one in the Douglas Manor family was hurt by the fallen trees, but they're saddened by the devastation to their picturesque neighborhood.
The neighborhood's very old. A lot of these trees were imported, and a lot of the trees are old. And every time there's a storm, we lose them. And little by little, we're losing almost all the trees.
Douglas Manor is a neighborhood that takes pride in their trees. Some of them are over 150 years old, and there are many different varieties. In fact, they are so important that the Neighborhood Association doesn't even allow residents to trim their trees without permission. Tony Chow's tree on his front yard collapsed on top of his car, and he's counting his blessings it didn't land a few feet over on top of his living room.
I'm right on that room. My wife right on the other room. We are so lucky, yeah.
What we're seeing is a towboat. They have to float the boat. Then they're going to tow the boat to a marina, and my insurance company will come.
The severe weather sank Tim Tynan's 18-foot sailboat, and Tim sails every day except for today. Potentially, you could have been out sailing when the storm hit.
I could be dead right now. I could have died. You know, sailing is a dangerous sport, and it's a thrilling sport, like skiing or water skiing. You have to be careful on the water. You have to respect the sea.
And as you can imagine, it really is quite miraculous that no one was injured. You can see the trees also took down power lines. These are actually exposed. Fortunately, the power is out, so it's been turned off, so it's not dangerous right now, but residents are without power, and still we do not know when power will be resumed. Reporting live from Douglas Manor, Emily Francis, Pix 11 News.